Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can make Uber Eats driver account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up your Uber driver app that you have installed in your phone. You cannot open the driver's account from Uber Eats app. You have to install this Uber driver app on your phone. You can easily access it from your app store. Tap on continue from over here. Simply choose a method for you to sign in. You can choose your Apple ID, your Google, or you can simply enter your phone or email to continue. I'm gonna go with my Google account. Tap on continue and choose your account. Tap on continue in the bottom. Now you simply have to choose a location where you would like to earn, and simply go ahead, provide a referral code if you have one. Otherwise, tap on next. I'm just going to choose a random location for now. You can see become a PHV driver. What a vehicle you have, you're gonna choose accordingly. Let's go with this one, scooter. Tap on continue. You can choose any. Some information might differ according to the vehicle you use. Now you can see here's what you need to do to set up your account. You simply have to recommend it next step. Now go ahead, tap on this one. Now simply provide your identity, ID card, photo. Take photo from over here, provide it right over there, then simply follow through the steps accordingly given. Tap on each of them and continue it. I have simply chosen the Paris, that's why it has simply converted a language. You can choose whatever country you prefer and it will simply appear on that way. Simply choose it and provide all the information. That is us. Tap on setup and you're done. You will be start receiving requests and you can start using it and earn money. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in our next video.